Are your plants dying and you don't know what to do with them? Watch this episode till the end where I talk about how to revive your old plants using Annu ke nuskes. Hi, I'm Anu Grover from Nurturing Green and welcome to the freshly brewed episodes on My Plant, My Baby. And today's special episode is on Annu ke nuske, where I will be talking about how to revive your old dead plants using these special tricks and make them more greener and healthier. But before we do that, you need to do two things for me. One, hit the bell button there and subscribe it so that you keep getting our updates and I keep coming to you guys to make sure that you become a pro gardener. And second, you need to tell me how many of you guys have your skinned abscesses look like this. If it's a yes, give me hands down and give me a comment yes so that I get to know that your plants are also dying. So by the way, a lot of people, and especially the new plant parents, not just new plant parents but also the pro gardeners, have gone through this journey where the plants not survive or the leaves go down and they get worried and say कि ये तो मर गया है, and that's where you stop caring for it and the plant further dies on. And this is our winter lot and this is what has happened to all our plants. If you look at there, all the leaves have gone down. And as per a lot of you, this plant is dead, but not as per me. And there are three things which you should look at when you want to revive your old plants or your dying plant as per you. Let's look at the first thing. The first thing we all should look out is how is your root growth. If your plant is still alive, you'll see your roots been reviving. If you can see here, there are wide new roots coming in, which means your plant is not dead, even if there is nothing on the top. So the first thing, whenever you look at your plant, always look at if the new roots are coming in. And if they're coming in, don't panic. The first good sign is that your plant is not dead. The second thing you should look at is if there is any new growth or any new signs of life. So let's pick any of the plants and see if there are new leaves coming in. So if the root is intact, there is for sure, in all probabilities, there are new leaves coming in. So if you look at this plant, these are the symptoms of winters. This is extreme cold which has taken this toll on this plant. The temperatures went to 5-7 degrees and that's why this happened. But there is new growth which is coming in and in plenty of it. So each stem is producing new leaf, which means the plant is healthy and will be able to revive it back to its original condition. So two things. One, if you have new roots coming in, and if there are new roots, there are new leaves which are coming in, or you are seeing some sign of life, just make sure don't give up on your plant and do this next three steps so that you can bring back to its old shape. So the first thing you have to look at and do is the watering. Now a lot of people, what we do as new plant parents and a lot of old plant parents also is they see the leaves dying or the rotting up happening and they stop caring of it. I mean, you have to do the reverse. It's like कि आपका बच्चा जब बीमार होता है या उसको निमोनिया हो गया है या बहुत ठंड लग रही है, तो you don't say to your kid कि चलो ठीक है बाहर रहो और अपने आप ठंड में बैठे रहो. Right? You take care of it more. You take care of your kids more, which means उनको अच्छा पानी दे रहे हो, अच्छा खाना दे रहे हो, अच्छा रेस्ट दे रहे हो. This is what your plants also need because you are also a parent and they are also the kids. So which means that three things which you need to make sure is when your plants doesn't do good is, first point, always make sure there is good enough watering into the soil. Don't overwater it because you get panic and overwater it, but make sure that it's been watered regularly. Now if you look at, let me open another of this plant. Right, the soil is good, moist, nothing much, new roots coming in, perfect condition, it will revive. So watering has been given regularly. That's the first point you should look at. Second is more feed. in all probabilities you have not given a good feed to your plants, or there has been really extreme temperatures or circumstances where the plant couldn't sustain. मतलब कि plant की humidity was not that strong that when the temperature went to 3 or 5 degrees it could sustain. So which means you need to give more feed to the plant. So always look at slow releasers which we put it in our plants, and you should also look at that you are giving a plant food. खाना ही नहीं होगा तो क्या बनाएगा, और जब खाना ही नहीं होगा, photosynthesis नहीं होगा तो new leaves नहीं आएंगी. So if there are new leaves coming in, it means there is plant food inside, which means that the plant is doing its photosynthesis right and making new leaves. So that's the second point, that after watering make sure that the feed is given right. Third and very important aspect which a lot of us ignore is the placement of it. Now if it's an indoor plant, don't keep it outdoor and don't keep it at the same place. You need to give a bright or an ideal condition to your plant. Now you can check various Plantopedia or plant care guides to know what is the exact condition. But let's say for a Scindapsus or a money plant, you need to have 1000 to 1500 lux, which is this light, should be there for your plant. This is your bright windowsill, which gets you some sun, direct probably, but most of it indirect sunlight, so that your lux is at from 1000 to 1500. Now if you manage those three things, in all probabilities your plant will revive. Just one more thing you have to do, which I have seen a lot of new plant parents don't do it. You know what? It's called patience. You know, I have been getting so much of DMs where people keep saying after the third day of feeding, कि sir, नई leaves नहीं आ रही. I have feeded the plant. Come on, your plants, your kids, they're like your kids. So they don't grow an inch every day. You know, you need to see the symptoms of them growing, and if the symptoms are coming in, which means be patient, you will see the new leaves coming in. So if I inspect this whole area, I feel that it's been doing right because there are a lot of new signs of it. Roots are doing very good, lot of new leaves coming in, old might go down, that's okay, but the new ones are coming intact, and within 2 to 3 months, at least for Scindapsus, they will come back to its original shape. So that's all for today from my Anuke Nuske. If you like the episode, or if you like this Nuska, give me a thumbs up or give me a feedback so that I can correct my content and make it better. Thank you for watching my plant, my baby, and let me know how is your plants doing, and are you able to revive your old plants using these techniques. Bye-bye.